In 2024, the world of drone cameras is buzzing with exciting options for both beginners and enthusiasts. Whether you're looking to capture stunning aerial footage or simply enjoy the thrill of flying, there are drones to suit every need and budget. These top 5 drone cameras, which we are going to show you in this video, offer various features, video quality, and prices, making it easier than ever to find the perfect fit for your aerial photography and videography adventures. Let's explore the top 5 drone cameras that are taking the year 2024 by storm. Number 5. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S stands out as the most compact and lightweight drone, featuring a 1-inch sensor. The propeller arms conveniently fold in, making it effortlessly transportable to any location you desire for your flight adventures. Moreover, this drone boasts exceptional video quality, supporting video shooting up to 5.4K resolution. Equipped with a 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor, the camera offers an equivalent focal length of 22 mm and a focus range from 60 cm to infinity. It captures images in both RAW and JPEG formats, with an ISO control range from 100 to 12,800 for still images and 100 to 1,600 for videos. While the images are notably sharp in the center, there is a slight drop-off in sharpness towards the edges, a common occurrence in consumer drones. The primary drawback lies in the fixed f/2.8 aperture of the camera, necessitating the use of ND filters by videographers. Fortunately, the Fly More bundle includes these filters, along with additional batteries, spare propellers, and a convenient shoulder bag. This drone is equipped with front, rear, bottom, and top obstacle sensors, facilitating obstacle avoidance during flight. The inclusion of GPS positioning ensures the drone stays precisely in place while hovering. Users can effortlessly capture videos using automated flight patterns, and a digital zoom feature allows for a closer look at objects without the need to bring the drone too close. Number 4. Sony Air Peak S1. The Sony Air Peak S1 stands out in the world of professional drones for its user-friendly design and compatibility with Sony's high-end A1, A7, and A9 series cameras. Unlike many other top-tier drones that are often complex and expensive, the Air Peak S1 comes ready-made, offering ease of use for both experienced and novice users. Although it comes with a hefty price tag, its primary advantage lies in the capability to capture top-notch image quality. This drone boasts impressive specifications, including a remarkable top speed of 55.9 miles per hour and excellent wind resistance of up to 44.7 miles per hour, making it suitable for challenging flying conditions while ensuring smooth video footage capture. Despite a relatively short battery life of up to 22 minutes without a camera, this duration is sufficient for many professional film-making scenarios. Keep in mind that when acquiring the Air Peak S1, you'll also need to invest in a compatible camera and gimbal mount. One notable feature is the independent control of the drone and camera, allowing the pilot to focus on flying while the camera operator concentrates on filming. The retractable landing gear and 360 degrees rotation of the gimbal and mounted camera enhance flexibility during operation. Whether capturing stills or videos, the Air Peak S1 ensures optimal image quality by supporting the mounting of Sony's A1, A7, and A9 series cameras. Number 3. Autel EVO Nano Plus. The Autel EVO Nano Plus is a lightweight drone, weighing less than 250 grams, making it suitable for use in areas where drone regulations are strict. Despite its compact size, this drone offers advanced features typically found in larger and more expensive models, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Its design is both compact and foldable, ensuring easy transportation, and it comes in 4 attractive colors: classic orange, deep space gray, blazing red, and Arctic white. The drone is accompanied by a controller that features an integrated phone holder. To access all the controls, users need to download the Autel app. The controller is designed to sit comfortably in your hand, and the Autel app proves to be intuitive and user-friendly. The thumbsticks on the controller strike a balance between responsiveness and sensitivity, providing a smooth flying experience. A notable feature of this drone is its advanced collision avoidance system. Equipped with 3-way binocular vision sensors on the front, bottom, and rear, The drone can detect obstacles and automatically slow down or stop to prevent collisions. This feature is particularly reassuring for beginners. Additionally, the drone offers automated flight patterns to assist users in getting started. In terms of camera capabilities, the EVO Nano Plus boasts a 12.5 megapixel 1 by 1.28-inch sensor with an equivalent focal length of 23 mm and a fast of 1.9 aperture. This setup excels in low light conditions, but users may need to use ND filters to maintain the shutter speed for smooth video recording. The drone supports video recording up to 4K at 30 FPS, delivering clear and crisp footage. Whether you're in the market for a lightweight drone or are a beginner seeking your first camera drone, the Autel EVO Nano Plus presents itself as a feature-packed option that is worth considering. Number 2. Yoni Typhoon 8 Plus. The Yoni Typhoon 8 Plus is a hexacopter designed for stability, especially in higher winds. It has 6 propellers, which means it can keep flying even if one fails, ensuring a safe and reliable operation. Despite weighing 1995 grams, this drone has a foldable design, though it is bulkier compared to other folding models like DJI Mavic drones or the Autel Evo 2 Pro, making it less portable. Equipped with a C23 4K camera featuring a 1-inch sensor, the Typhoon 8 Plus can capture 20 megapixel stills in both JPEG and RAW formats. It also allows for 4K video recording at up to 60 FPS. The gimbal on this drone is capable of a full 360 degrees rotation, eliminating the need to rotate the drone itself to capture different shots. This is especially useful for subject tracking videos. The controller of the Typhoon 8 Plus features a 7-inch touchscreen display powered by Android, along with an HDMI port for connecting to an external monitor. A notable feature is the introduction of Team Mode, allowing independent control of the drone and camera using 2 remote controls. This is particularly beneficial for professional filmmaking, as it enables the pilot to focus on flying while a dedicated camera operator manages the camera settings. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. At the top of our list stands the impressive DJI Mavic 3 Pro, undoubtedly one of the finest drones currently available in the market. Setting itself apart, this consumer drone introduces a groundbreaking feature by incorporating 3 onboard cameras that can function simultaneously, unlocking a variety of creative possibilities. The primary camera is an exceptional 20-megapixel Hasselblad camera, boasting an adjustable aperture ranging from 2.8 to 11, with up to 12.8 stops of dynamic range and an equivalent focal length of 24 mm. This camera delivers remarkable image quality. Interestingly, the Mavic 3 Pro is priced similarly to the Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Scene, essentially providing users with a valuable 70mm camera as a bonus. All 3 cameras support RAW and JPEG formats. Beyond its impressive camera setup, the Mavic 3 Pro boasts an array of advanced features that contribute to a seamless flying experience. Users can choose from 2 smart controller options equipped with 5.5-inch touchscreens, eliminating the need to connect a phone. Both controllers exhibit high responsiveness with no noticeable lag during flight. The drone offers 3 different flight modes and can withstand winds up to 27 miles per hour. It also incorporates safety features such as AirSense ADS-B, which detects nearby aircraft, and an omnidirectional obstacle sensing system that enables the drone to autonomously navigate around obstacles. While the Mavic 3 Pro may be considered a costly investment and possibly more advanced than necessary for some users, it undeniably delivers exceptional value for those who can fully leverage its 3 camera capabilities. So, which of these is the best for you? Tell us in the comments section. Like and share the video and follow us for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.